What you're going to need for this DIY is an oversized shirt and your basic sewing materials. So start by tracing your body shape while you're wearing the shirt. I find this very easy, so you can make the outline while you're wearing it, or you could take an existing dress or shirt and use that as a reference. The tighter the better. Make sure to take your waist measurements and your hips measurement to have more reference while you're making the outline on the shirt. When you're cutting out, make sure to leave an 1-inch allowance on either side of the dress, because we're going to use the excess to make a casing later on. So what I'm doing right now is just using my waist measurement to make sure that I will have a much fitting dress later on. But like I said, the tighter the better, so you kind of want to knock out 1.5 inches or 1 inch off your own measurement if your fabric is stretchy. After cutting out the outline with the allowance, make sure to just sew on the line. Do not fold over seams, do not do anything, because we will use the excess fabric as a casing later. As you can see, I used a white thread rather than a black. I did change that later because you're going to see the thread if you put it on, I don't know. So yeah, so then we're going to make the casing just like I said. Just fold it twice. After folding it twice, then you're just going to sew it on. Make sure you don't sew on the middle, sew to the side, because it's a casing and you want something to go in there, which is the string that you're going to make later.
Looking for 2020.
So then I just cut it out the fabric that I had left from the shirt to use as a string that we're going to be inserting in all of the casing that we've made, which you're supposed to have 4 casing, so 4 different strings. And that's pretty much it. I just cut it out, make sure it's all even and that they're all the same length, pinned it and sewed it together, sewed it shut. And then making the sleeve, you don't actually have to put a sleeve on this dress, because most of the dresses that I saw, which I got the inspiration from, is that they didn't have sleeves. I just put on the sleeve so I'd be more comfortable wearing it out. I don't know why, I just feel more comfortable that way. So sewing off the seams. So you're going to insert the strings first before attaching the sleeve. That's a very crucial part, because you want to be able to sew the ends of the string to the armpit, near the armpit, not on the armpit of the shirt, just near it, so it stays in place, and when you're trying to adjust the dress while you're wearing it, it doesn't undone, or it doesn't break. So yeah, so just feed through all of your string, and after that attach the sleeve if you want to, and that's pretty much it. After attaching it, that's all. You're gonna just wear it and make adjustments if you want like I did. After actually making this, I redid the whole dress and made it tighter because I really just wanted to be much tighter. I wanted to show off more of my curves, and you can wear it as a dress or you could wear it as a t-shirt. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. Love you.